Welcome to Delving Lab. This video is part of our complete 2D platformer series where we will be building a full game step by step in Unity. In this episode, we're adding a combat interaction to our enemy AI, implementing hit detection, enemy damage reactions, and attack animations so the enemy can damage the player. If you need the arrow shooting system, check out the cards above, and if you haven't watched the patrol and chase tutorial yet, I recommend starting there since this builds directly on it. Let's do it. Okay, we have three animations here that comes from these sprites. Then they are available on the link in the description. You can download them and use them. And here I have three new: death and hit, and another one is attack. Let's make a transaction from idle to attack, and another one from attack to idle. And definitely I need a trigger, for example attack. So I'm gonna assign to this one. I don't need exit time, and I'm gonna reduce the duration time. Okay, now about these, I need them anytime and any state, so I'm gonna use any state to attack them and find them. And okay, let's say hit, and another one is dead. Cool. And here I just need to make them small too, and definitely I need to set the condition. And this one. Okay, perfect. Now I think everything is set for now except one thing. I have to make a transition from hit to idle too, because after hit we have to move on to idle again. Okay, it's perfect. Now let's move on to the controller to add hit detection on throw. Okay, here I'm gonna add a public bool for ease hitting to check hit detection, and of course for death too. Okay, now we have death here, and so I need to just call it and check it, the trigger, any trigger to my character as a player and as an enemy. And actually we are in an enemy controller for enemy now. Okay, let's say enter trigger to the enter, and here we have collision that you can detect input and any entry to our trigger. So let's say if the collision game object tag, you can use compare tag, it's better than a simple tag to equal. For example, you can just call the tag and then you can equal it to anything, but compare tag is better and faster. So I'm gonna say arrow, and then here I'm gonna call the animation. So let's use the animator and say set it trigger to hit. There we go. Now we can test it. Okay, and before testing, I have to check the arrow, and you can see we don't have any kind of tag here. So I'm gonna use arrow tag. Let's create it first, and then again, just assign your tag. Perfect. And about here, we don't have any kind of colliders on the troll. So let's add a capsule collider, set as a trigger, and here you can just assign and set position perfectly. Okay, perfect. And now I think I can check it out. There we go. We have hit detection right now. Okay, perfect. But another problem that we have, it was about, let's show it again. It was about a movie. It's not gonna stop when it's hitting. So let's stop this problem. To do that, I'm gonna make another function. Let's say public void hit. And now we can just cut it here and set is hitting as a true. There we go. And another function. And now here I'm gonna false again. Good. And we can make it private because we don't need any access from outside of the script. So let's just call it here. And about this one, just select the troll, and in the windows, in the animation window, we have to select heat, and then we can see a preview. And in the last frame, I'm gonna add an event, and in the event, I'm gonna call stop heating. There we go. And now we have a boolean to make it run false. So I can just use it to tell in the move to X, a function that it is responsible to move the character. I can say just if it was hitting, don't move, and just return. That it means don't run these codes anymore. There we go. It's gonna stop when it's hitting. Good. Okay, now let's kill the enemy. To do that, I'm gonna have to set a health system. Let's make a simple one. I can say a public int is a health, and it could be, for example, 3. There we go. And I'm gonna use this to reduce. So we have hitting, and the hit state, I'm gonna just reduce this. Let's say we can just use it here. And I'm gonna just reduce. I'm gonna just reduce the health, and if it was equal to 0, so I have to say it's death. So I'm gonna call it this animation here. It was dead actually. The keyword for animator was dead, and I'm gonna call it. So we have everything in set. Let's check it up. I'm going to select it, and here I can see a health, and if I just shoot it, we have 2, 1, and we have death. Okay, perfect. But I need to disable and destroy the character troll. So let's just call destroy for game object that is currently available as a troll. We are on the enemy controller, so the game object is the troll. And I'm going to set it 2 seconds to delay for destroying. And maybe we need to destroy the arrow too. So let's just say the game object and say you have to destroy it. And there we go. I need to immediately destroy it. Not destroy game object actually, the destroy it only. Okay. I'm going to shoot, and we have hitting, there is no passing by arrow, and we have definitely killing. There we go. 1, 2, and boom. Okay, we have attacking and destroying and killing the troll, but what about player? For example, when I'm in the range, it should be attack me, not just looking at me. So let's fix it. To do that, I'm gonna use arraycast to detect is it in range to attack or not. So I'm gonna use 2 parameters. The first one is about direction, is it in left or right, and about the distance. We can start with, I don't know, for example, 10. And we have to check it in here because it's going to be weight and looking to the player. I don't want to looking, I need to attacking. So let's just check it out with with a physical raycast, and here we have hitting. So let's say if hit, you can just attack, and if it's not, you can just look at it. And it's not going to happen, but I'm gonna use it to be sure. So let's just say look at it and don't look at it. You have to set trigger as attack. There we go. And we don't need any number here. Okay, good. We have hit, attack. We don't have it, don't attack. But let's watch it in the gizmo to be sure it's going to be perfect. So I'm going to use the purple color to check it. Okay, you can see we have a troll and we have to have, actually it's 0 for now, so I'm gonna increase the size, and there we go. You can see there's a purple line here. I can just, for example, move it here, and it's going to be perfect, I think. Let's check it out. I'm in range, it's going to attack me, and it's gonna attack. But if I just move, it's not gonna attack me. Yeah, it's gonna attack too much. There we go. But still, we don't have a thing, and it's going to be about hitting the player. To do that, I'm gonna select my character here, and we don't have any kind of hitting animation right now. So let's say we have hit animation. I'm gonna select them, and let's check it. Is it good? Yeah, it's good. So yeah, I'm gonna make another animation here. We have hit. Okay, there we go. And now again, we need to call it from anytime, and then here to here. And definitely we need a trigger. I'm sorry, we have to write a trigger, that's naming. So I'm gonna call it hit, and here we have hit. And same setups for this. Perfect. Okay, let's go there, and in the player controller, I'm gonna make a function, maybe for example here or here. This one is always good. We can call it a void, just hit for player. Sorry, fast typing. And now I'm gonna call animator a trigger for hit. Okay, now we have hit for player controller, but in the enemy controller we have to call it. And here I can just get the player controller because I don't have it. Let's just find it from any object. So let's say we have public player controller, player, and now I can just get it in awake. Say find any object, because I just have one player controller right now in the game, to get the player controller. Okay, perfect. Now I need another function here. For example, after hitting, maybe here, and say public void attack to player. There we go. Now we have player, and we can call hits. Awesome. Okay, let's select again the troll animation, and here this time for attack we have this animations. For example, this could be perfect. Yeah, I think this one is good. Add another event, and in this event I'm gonna call attack to player. It's not gonna shoot me because it's about same problem. We have to make it in editor mode. So I'm gonna set it 10, and there we go. Yeah, nice. Now we have hit, we have attack by the attack, by the troll is going to attack me, and there we go. I can attack too. Okay, perfect. Everything is set. That's all for this episode. Thank you for watching. Now I've got a mission for you. We have made a troll attack. Now it's your turn to implement a knife attack using the exact system. Try it yourself first, and I'm here to help you. Feel free to ask any kind of question. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.